Your rig doesn't stop, so why should your engine? Highway and Heavy Parts has the lubrication systems that keep you moving. Beat the heat and conquer the road with premium oil pumps, oil coolers, cooling nozzles, oil pans, and more, engineered to maximize performance. Our top-of-the-line oil pumps ensure constant flow, reducing engine wear and keeping you on schedule. Facing heavy loads? No problem. Our oil coolers keep your engine running cool no matter the challenge. Targeted precision cooling from our nozzles shields your engine's most vital parts. Plus, with our high-capacity oil pans, you're extending oil life and slashing maintenance time. With Highway and Heavy Parts, your truck stays stronger, longer, mile after mile. If you're looking for a replacement or an upgrade, we carry lubrication components for all popular makes and model heavy-duty trucks. Trust the experts to get your truck back on the job. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.